Bitcoin and Solana are both at a huge resistance level. Bitcoin is breaking out, but Solana is doing different. In this video, we will dive deeper into both charts and also what I think Bitcoin and Solana's next move will be. Let's find out. First, we're gonna start with Bitcoin. At the 4 hours time frame, we can see that Bitcoin is forming an ascending triangle, but it broke above the huge resistance level that we are facing in the last week. And what we can see is that Bitcoin reached every time the 38k level, and it got reacted here, it got reacted here, it got another reaction here and also here. But finally we broke out of this resistance level, and what we can see right now is, if we zoom in, we see Bitcoin broke above, retested the level, and is now making another upwards move. What is my next target? My next target is 40k. If we reach 40k, we can expect another huge resistance. Look, if we zoom out, we can see that Bitcoin was also a support level in 2021. Another support here, but also a resistance. It got reacted here, here, here. So we can expect a lot of volatility at 40k. But if we got reacted, does that mean that the bull market is over? No, not at all. We need a healthy correction because right now we are in an upward trend. People have profit and they will take profit, of course. And also on the RSI, we can see that Bitcoin is making a bearish divergence. We can see that the RSI is making lower highs and Bitcoin is making higher highs. And we saw that earlier around April in 2023. We see here the same pattern. We can see the RSI is making lower highs and Bitcoin is making higher highs. And also here at July of 2023, we can see that Bitcoin is making higher highs and the RSI is making lower highs. And most of the time this means that we'll in the immediate short term have a move to the downside. And when we see a bullish divergence, we see Bitcoin is making lower lows, but the RSI is making higher lows. That's what we can see in September of 2023, earlier this year. So there is room for growth. We can reach the 40k level because we broke out of this resistance area. But don't expect Bitcoin go from here to all the way up to 100k. We need to have a pullback, and healthy correction will be good. I expect around 40k, so at 40k I will put some shorts with a stop loss for in case we reach that level in the coming days. I opened a Solana trade. Earlier this morning I opened a Solana trade at 61. Why? Because it's the same pattern. If we look at Solana, we saw this huge resistance area of Solana. It got reacted multiple times. So there was a higher chance that we will face a push down of the Solana price. And exactly the same happened. Like, if you trade with leverage, please don't use your whole capital. Why? Because you are not correct every time. In this trade, what I'm doing right now, I have a risk-reward ratio of 2. So this means that I will lose. Example, I will trade with $1,000 and I will only lose 200. But I can win 400 because my ratio is 2. And also when I do this trade to the bottom of this area, I have a risk reward ratio of 5.4. That means that I can win 5.4 times my money but only lose 20%, and I can win 5 times 20%, so 100%. But I play this time safe. I see Solana is making a higher move in case Bitcoin is breaking out. Beside that, what do I expect from Solana? We are in the same area now for weeks, and I expect Solana will go higher in case Bitcoin will break out of this level. But right now on the daily time frame, it looks good. but on the weekly time frame we don't have a confirmation yet, because this week isn't over yet. So let's wait for the weekly candles closing above this resistance area. If we do, I expect a 40k. If we got reacted, I think we will fall below this huge support line, and if we do that, we will fall back to the 32 level. Let's see how it will unfold. For now, I will pay close attention to the chart, and depending on Bitcoin, I will make my decisions. If you're still here and you like my videos, like and subscribe. We reached almost the 1000 subscribers. We currently have 928. If you like my videos, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.